Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closing mixed on Wednesday. This as shares in consumer services, insurance and telecommunication services sectors closed lower, while shares in media, real estate and food and staples retailing, those sectors gaining momentum. Now on the economic docket, MBA mortgage applications increasing by 5.1% in the week ended June 15th. Existing home sales decreasing to 5.43 million as advancers ahead of decliners. 58% of SP500 constituents, they traded higher yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, Micron Technology announcing third quarter adjusted EPS of $3.15 versus 85 cents 1 year ago on sales of $7.8 billion. International Paper announcing the appointment of Timothy Nichols as CFO to replace Glenn Landau, who is leaving the business for personal reasons. While turning overseas, Asian markets mixed today. The Nikkei up 0.61%, the Hang Seng down 1.35%, China CSI 300 down 1.17%, South Korea's Kospi down 1.1%. European markets mostly down, and U.S. futures calling for a negative start. In terms of expectations today, Kroger first quarter EPS seen at 63 cents. Darden Restaurants fourth quarter EPS seen at $1.35 on sales of approximately $2.1 billion. And Red Hat first quarter EPS seen at 69 cents on sales of approximately $810 million. On the economic docket today in the morning, we have 8:30 initial jobless claims and continuing claims, as well as the Philadelphia Fed business outlook. 9 o'clock in the morning, the April FHFA housing price index, and 10 o'clock, leading indicators for May. Now turning over to the markets, the SP 500 sees caution, and that's in focus as the relative strength index is mixed and calling for caution. Long positions above 27.69 are favored, with targets at 27.80 and 27.8750 in extension. Onto the Nasdaq, that sees a bullish bias above 73.02, while the Dow Jones sees the bias remain bullish.